here on Commerce Court at Atlantic Mold and Machining.
STEMsmart, it's where gray matter shows its true colors.
Nominations are now open, and so is Atlantic Mold and Machining.
Let's go!
The challenge is
to create complex designs and produce high-quality, tight-tolerance plastic injection molds
at a competitive price.
So, we employ highly skilled tool and die mold makers with advanced level training who develop, program, and operate machinery for various projects at the same time. Plus,
we created an in-house training ladder to support long-term development of next-generation advanced skill workers by implementing a traditional mold-making apprenticeship program. Plus,
we use high-tech CAD/CAM computer-aided programs to create the components of the mold on computerized numeric control, such as vertical machining centers, to create the core and cavity block or components of the mold. Plus,
computer-programmed electrical discharge machinery to erode extremely precise details in the mold, such as very sharp corners, tall ribs, posts, and complex 3D geometry. Plus,
precision grinding the components to fit things together to create a tolerance level equivalent to splitting a human hair 10 times. Equals high-quality plastic injection molds manufactured in innovative, more productive ways at a competitive price.
Wow, now that's STEMsmart.
When it brains, it pours.
Well, all those pluses equal the next big thing?
You do the math.